Welcome to step number 3. In this step, we get to know the national business credit agencies. Did you know that businesses have credit reports too? Did you know that most lenders will pull your business credit reports when you apply for financing? Creditors are checking to see that the business name, address, and other information matches, even to see if you have business credit history. An established business credit report can improve your terms and even tip those scales to an approval. So does your business have a business credit file? Do you have accounts that are reporting on your business credit reports? Is that information reporting correct? Do you have late payments? Or is the business name and address listed correctly? Here are the 3 major business credit agencies. We have Business Experian, Equifax, and D&B. Again, our goal in step 3 is to search and see if your business is listed with each bureau. We want to verify that your information is listed correctly. We need to update any inaccurate information on your records and apply for the free DUNS number or set up monitoring as needed. Hit save and continue to proceed. Here. Step 3.1, Business Experian. Our business credit building system is integrated with Experian Smart Business. This allows you to see your progress as you build business credit. First thing we want to do is search in the fields below. You enter your exact legal name and address as it shows on your corporate records. Experian will pull up the closest matches. Identify your company in the list below. If your business is listed, select your business. If you have multiple profiles or inaccuracies, you click here to fix them. If your business is not listed here, don't worry. This means there is no business credit profile for your business, and we will establish the file in step 4. On the dashboard, you can refresh your results to always have an up-to-date number of trade accounts reporting on your corporate Experian. Hit save and continue to proceed. Step 3.2. More information about Business Experian and Experian monitoring. Here are links to purchase the Business Experian monitoring. Some of the benefits to purchasing monitoring: you can identify whether the information reporting is correct, such as on-time payments, late payments, liens, judgments, bankruptcies. We also want to see your highest credit limit. Creditors will typically mimic that highest credit limit in their approvals. We want to view your Experian score, and then it also notifies you as your reports change. That means as your trade accounts report and your score fluctuates. If you don't have a Business Experian profile, the system will not allow you to purchase the monitoring, but you can always go back. That means if you don't have trade accounts reporting, it isn't mandatory to purchase the monitoring with Experian. You'll enter the information below and hit save and continue to proceed. This is step 3.3, Equifax. Again, here our goals are to search, identify, and purchase monitoring if needed. You'll click on this link here to identify whether your file is listed with Equifax. You'll enter your business name and address in the Find a Company field within Equifax's website when you click on this link. Identify. So if you have a business credit report, that means your business name will pull up. If not, click on the advanced search options and search again just to make sure you don't have a file. If there's incorrect information on your report, then you can contact their customer service group. But keep in mind, they usually advise you to update the information with your creditors. That is where they receive their data. If you do have a file and you want to monitor your report, you can purchase that here. Equifax does allow you to receive a free copy. You can request one by phone. The phone number is here. This is only an option if you have applied for business credit in the past 60 days. You can also request one by mail. You mail your request here and you include a letter stating these items. Answer the questions at the bottom and hit Save and Continue to proceed. This section is talking about Dun & Bradstreet. Again, we're searching, identifying, and purchasing the monitoring here if needed. First, you click here to search and see if your business is listed with Dun & Bradstreet. If your business is listed, you want to make sure the information is correct, the business name and the address. What if it isn't correct? The incorrect information can be fixed when you purchase the monitoring with D&B. In rare circumstances, you will need to contact D&B, but please do so with caution and realize that they typically will try and sell you something. Contact the advisor team if you need more detail. If your business isn't listed, you need to apply for a free DUNS number at this point. Click here and follow the prompts. It typically takes 2 to 4 weeks to receive your free DUNS number. You will have an option as you work through the prompts to pay $49 to receive that DUNS number in 1 week. Once you have that DUNS number, you can click to purchase the monitoring. You'll see that you can enter your business name, city, and so on to search. The benefits of the monitoring are the same. You can monitor those to make sure there aren't any late payments. Everything's on time. No liens, judgments, or bankruptcies. To monitor that highest credit limit, view your credit score, receive email notifications. But with D&B, purchasing the monitoring actually activates your D&B profile. A neat thing about D&B is you can add manual references. So when you purchase the monitoring, you have the ability to add a couple manual references with that monitoring. Keep in mind that there is special criteria on references that can be added. They can't be trade accounts that report automatically. No bank creditors or credit card companies. It can't be a utility company or a bank account. These references that you submit need to be prepared to answer D&B's questions and verify that you are in fact one of their clients and qualify as a reference. Once they do qualify your reference submittal, then it will be added to your D&B report. Special note and warning about D&B. D&B is more of a sales-based company than any other business credit reporting agency. D&B is a great company and they have the largest database of business credit, but they will often contact clients to make them feel like they need to purchase additional services or packages. The calls will feel urgent, or the client will feel like they have to provide financial information. Please understand that this is not the case. We have listed the most cost-effective way to build your business credit report with D&B. If you have questions as you're working with your business advisor team, go ahead and ask about Dun & Bradstreet if you feel uncomfortable about the phone call that you received from D&B. Your advisor team is glad to steer you through the confusion and help you understand what is needed to build your business Dun & Bradstreet report. Once you have completed this page, you enter the information below. You can proceed through the rest of step 3 before you receive your DUNS number. You just won't want to move to step 4 and start applying until you have your DUNS number. Step 3.5. In this section, we're talking about the business credit scoring models. We've listed out each model with each bureau. Now keep in mind the model is different between each agency. Unlike personal credit, where they're all the same, they're very different in the business credit world. Dun & Bradstreet uses an 80 Paydex score, for instance, to note that everything was paid on time. You can click on these links to review each of the different scoring models. It's important as a business owner that you understand these so that you know where your business credit stands. Keep in mind, before you proceed, if you have negative information, late payments, liens, judgments, public records, collections, etc. on your business credit reports, you do need to notify the advisor team before you proceed to step 4. Hit save and continue to proceed. As I mentioned on the prior page, you do not want to start applying for trade accounts in step 4 until you have that DUNS number. If you have questions about this step, please contact the advisor team. We're always here to help. Our phone number is 800-497-0499, or you can reach out to us by email at advisor@businessfinancesuite.com.